guys, what's up? Today, I'm going to show you how to install some useful software that is being used by computer engineers. Before installing or downloading software or files, make sure that your Windows Defender is activated. And if you have any other antivirus, make sure that it is active. Some of the software is a cracked version because you can't download them if you don't buy them. I'm not promoting cracked software. This is for educational purposes only. So without further ado, let's get started. If your installer is in a zip file, extract it first. Extract files here. There you go. The Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's install it. And click yes with the Cisco software license agreement. Just accept the agreement. Next, you can change the installation location. Next, create desktop shortcut. Okay, let's see, create a quick launch shortcut. No, that. Next, then install it. Wait for it to transfer the files in the installation location, and then let's see. Okay, for package skills, just click the OK. Launch Cisco, yes. Finish. Cisco file packet, okay. Second is the Eagle PCB design. Accept the agreement. Yes. Browse again. Nope. There. Install software. Install softwares. Next install. Wait for the installer to copy the files to the installation folder. Eagle PCB design is a scriptable electronic design automation application with schematic capture, printed circuit board layout, auto router, and computer-aided manufacturing features. Eagles stands for Easily Applicable Graphical Layout Editor and is developed by CADSoft Computer. Okay, this is the control panel of Eagle PCB design. Okay, let's jump to the next software. Our third software is the VMware Workstation. VMware Workstation, here it is. Just run the installer, click yes, wait for it. Accept the terms in the license agreement. click next. Okay, next. Okay, next. Install. Wait for it to install. The next software that we are going to install is the Circuit Wizard. Let's open the folder, then run the setup. Click yes. Click next. User license agreement. Yes. Serial number. Click yes. Next. Single, standalone. Next. Next. And wait for it. And click finish. Circuit Wizard. Let's find the Circuit Wizard. So we're done now installing the Circuit Wizard. Circuit Wizard is a revolutionary new system that combines circuit design, PCB design, simulation, and CAD/CAM manufacture in one complete package. By integrating the entire design process, Circuit Wizard provides you with all the tools necessary to produce an electronic project from start to finish, even including on-screen testing of the PCB prior to construction. So next, we are going to install the electronic workbench. Let's open the installer. Click yes and wait for it. Just click next, and you can change your installation location or directory. Next, then finish. Wait for it to transfer the files from the installer to the installation directory, and yes, we're done. Click finish. Now we are going to open and check our workbench. Just click OK. So we're done now installing the electronic workbench. So the electronic workbench is a simulation package for electronic circuits. It allows you to design and analyze circuits without using breadboards, real components, or actual instruments. EWB's click and drag operations make editing a circuit fast and easy. So this is a very useful software. So after installing the Electro Workbench, we are going to install the Arduino software. Yes, this is the Arduino setup license agreement. Agree. Click next and install. Wait for the setup to extract all the files to the installation directory. Arduino is an open-source electronic platform based on easy-to-use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read inputs like on a sensor, a finger on a button, or a Twitter message and turn it into an output, activating a motor, turning on an LED, publishing something online. After installing the Arduino, we are going to install the FreeSync. Just open the folder and find the installer. This is the FritzSync software. FritzSync is an open source initiative to develop amateur or hobby CAD software for design of electronic hardware to support designers and artists ready to move from experimenting with a prototype to build a more permanent circuit. Next, the AutoCAD. We're going to install the AutoCAD. Autodesk AutoCAD. So here is the AutoCAD. Open the folder. Yes, here. The installer Autodesk. Extract. Philippines. Read the license and service agreement. Accept. Click next. And install. And now we are going to install the Sublime Text. Let's open the installer. Let's run the installer. Click yes. You can change the installation directory if you want. That's fine for me. Click next. Next. Then install. Finish. Let's run the Sublime Text. This is the Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a shareware cross-platform source code editor with a Python application programming interface or API. It natively supports many programming languages and markup languages, and function can be added by users with plugins. Typically community built and maintained under free software license. Let's jump to the last software that we are going to install. Our last software is the Wireshark. Let's open the folder and run. I will run the 64-bit version because my system is 64-bit. Click yes. Next. This is the license agreement. I agree. Next. Let's install all of them. You can also change the installation directory, but this is fine for me. Click next. Next. Install. Wait for the installation to finish. And let's run the Wireshark. Let's wait for it to pop up. And finally, this is the Wireshark Network Analyzer. So this is a very useful software. Wireshark Analyzer is a network protocol analyzer or an application that captures packets from network connections, such as from your computer to your home office or the internet. Packet is the name given to a discrete unit of data.
in a typically Ethernet network. Wireshark is the most often used packet sniffer in the world.
And now we are done installing this software. I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching, keep safe, and peace out.